Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing your clip and an adjustment layer on the timeline so changes remain non-destructive. Once done, open the Effects panel and type Magnify or choose Transform to simulate magnification. You should select the program monitor and position the playhead where you want the effect to begin. This ensures accurate keyframes. Make sure the adjustment layer is trimmed to cover only the segment you intend to magnify, because that keeps renders fast and edits flexible. You apply the effect to the adjustment layer, then set the center point to the subject you want magnified so viewers focus where intended. Next, define radius and magnification. Try 150% to start and toggle keyframes for magnification and radius. As you scrub, place a keyframe at the start with normal scale, then another where magnification peaks. Use ease in and out to smooth motion. This prevents jarring jumps and guides the eye naturally through the frame. You now refine the effect by feathering the magnify edge and slightly lowering opacity so the change reads as intentional, not accidental. Once satisfied, pre-render the segment to confirm smooth playback and export a quick test clip to verify quality. If you see jagged edges or pixelation, make sure high-quality scaling is enabled and render at full resolution. If motion drifts, recheck your keyframes and adjust the center point. These steps lock in a polished, professional magnify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.